This is every credit card I could get my hands on. After years of collecting dozens of credit cards, each with their own unique purpose, because I'm the type of guy to open up spam credit card offers in the mail, I found the perfect credit card strategy. All the loopholes, free travel, and have made tens of thousands of dollars. So here's everything you need to know in 10 minutes to save you years of your time. The Carrot Influencer Credit Card. This is one of the best exclusive credit cards the average person can't get. It's used by social media influencers like Graham Stephan and Nas Daily, and my friend Matt even used it to get his face on Times Square. It's made custom out of metal, and it probably should be illegal to bring onto an airplane. They give you a credit limit based on your social media following, and I earn 3 to 5% back on influencer expenses like ad spend and designer clothes. I use this for all my business stuff to make videos for you guys, so this is a 10 out of 10. And as you can see, there are 5 mystery cards, some that I use every single day, ones that I will never use in a million years, and a bonus mystery card near the end. The Amex Blue Cash Everyday Card. You get $200 cash back after you spend $2,000 in the first 6 months, on top of no annual fee, 3% cash back on groceries, 2% cash back on gas. This card is a no-brainer just for the free $200, but if you wanted to pay Shrek a visit at the swamp, Amex probably won't be accepted there, so 9 out of 10. This is the Apple Card. It's made out of pure titanium. It's laser etched with your name on it. And it can even do this. That one was for you, Dave.
Thank you.
It has no annual fee. You get 3% cash back on all Apple purchases, 2% cash back when using Apple Pay, but not every place accepts it, and 1% when actually using the card. But that's a lot of words. Is this card actually good? Well, it's great for beginners since it has one of the best credit card apps, which makes it easy to learn how credit cards work, and there are no fees in case you mess up. And it's a big flex on your first date. But it's honestly just not that good compared to the other cards. So I'll give it a 7 out of 10. This is the BlockBy Card, and it's one of the best crypto cards available. You get 1.5% back on all purchases in a crypto like Bitcoin. And if you're a real baller and spend over $50,000 in a year, you'll earn 2% back, but it's only good if you like crypto like me, but still better than the Crypto.com garbage debit card, so 8 out of 10. This is the Capital One Venture Card, 6 out of 10. This is the Chase Freedom Flex, and it's one of the best cards on this list. Since it has no annual fee, you earn 5% cash back in quarterly bonus categories, 3% on dining and delivery services, 3% on drugstore purchases, and also a $200 sign-up bonus after spending $500 in the first 3 months, plus 5% back on gas station purchases up to $6,000 in the first year. And if you thought this couldn't get any better, since I collect credit cards like I collect Yu-Gi-Oh cards, in Yu-Gi-Oh there's a certain combination of cards called the Exodia, and when put together, win you the game. And the same is true for credit cards. A certain 3-card combination instantly wins you the credit card game, and this card is one of 3 Exodia pieces. You'll find out later why. This card is a no-brainer, 10 out of 10. This is the Venmo Visa card, and I have every color of the rainbow, which is more fruity than Fruity Pebbles. And the rewards are also very fruity. You automatically earn 3% cash back on your top spend categories, 2% on the next, and 1% on the rest from 8 total possible categories. And no annual fee, which is great, but watch out for this. You're able to use cash back to cash it on crypto, and that's kind of dangerous since you don't actually own the keys to your crypto, and we all know why that's bad. It's a cool card to look at, but the rewards aren't super competitive, so 7 out of 10. The Discover It Cash Back Card. You earn 5% cash back on rotating bonus categories, and Discover will match all of the cash back you earn at the end of your first year. But personally, I don't own this card just because it's not as good compared to the other cards, so 6 out of 10. This is the Amex Platinum, the most expensive credit card normal people can get. It's made out of pure metal, just wait till you hear how it sounds when dropped, and it does cost $700 per year to own, but it has no limit. Well, I mean, if I was gonna Logan Paul it and buy like $1 million worth of Pokemon cards, it would probably stop me. But this card does give you private access to airport lounges, which are a nice place to relax, get some free food, and even shower during a layover. But I've got a handful of these, and surprisingly, they're not that great. It does have a huge 150,000 point sign-up bonus worth about $3,000, but the massive $700 annual fee and benefits that are really inconvenient to use, like these, And one Reddit user said, it feels like I'm giving Amex a bunch of money and then they tell me how to spend it. And a few other cards are simply better in my opinion. But it does do this. Nah, Apple's still better.
Thank you.
This is the Bank of America Alaska Airlines card, and it's owned by every Alaskan. And I used it to climb that mountain. It has a $75 annual fee, a 40,000 point sign-up bonus, and you earn 3 miles for every single dollar spent with Alaska Airlines. But best of all, you also get a companion fare, which is just 1 free ticket wherever you are flying for someone else for just 120 bucks, which makes this card worth it. But really, that's all this card is good for, so 6 out of 10. This is a mystery card which is incredibly powerful, and it's the Amazon Rewards Visa card. It has no annual fee for Amazon Prime users, and you earn 5% back at Amazon and Whole Foods. So just set up autopay, link this card to your account, boom, that's 5% off all of your groceries. 10 out of 10 for Amazon Prime users. Now this card has some crazy perks, but you probably shouldn't get it. This is the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. It has no annual fee, a $200 sign-up bonus after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months, plus it gives you 2% cash back, making it one of the best overall cards out there. So why shouldn't you get it? Well, this is a Wells Fargo card, and Wells Fargo sucks. The Citi Double Cash Card. This used to be one of the best cards for anyone, not anymore. It earns 2% cash back on every purchase, but it has no sign-up bonus, and it's a MasterCard. And compared to the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, which also earns 2% back, but has a free $200 sign-up bonus, and is a Visa card, which is accepted in more places, this doesn't look as good. But then again, Wells Fargo sucks. 8 out of 10. This is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Not only is this the second Exodia piece, but it's also a mystery card since it's one of my all-time favorite cards. It has the exact same benefits as the Chase Freedom Flex, but there is one key difference. You earn 1.5% cash back on every purchase, which makes this one of the best cards to use for anything when combined with the final Exodia piece. This is also a 10 out of 10, no-brainer. This my hot tub credit card got me 0% financing on my hot tub, but another Wells Fargo card. Hot tub out of 10. Now this was my very first credit card, but also a huge mistake. I initially got this card for the sign-up bonus of 4,500 stars and what you used to be able to do with that. For 150 stars, I used to be able to pull up and get anything on the menu. A sandwich or like some coffee beans, or my favorite, a tray of cranberry bliss bars worth almost $20, or about $600 in total just from the sign-up bonus. But now it's just 8 free barista picks, which is like 8 coffees that you don't get to choose, and it's a $50 annual fee. 0 out of 10. This is the Chase Sapphire Preferred, and it does have a $95 annual fee, but it's 100% worth it. It earns 5% cash back on travel through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, 3% on dining and groceries and some streaming services. It has a $50 annual hotel credit, a 60,000 point sign-up bonus worth over $900 on travel, and this is the ideal card for most people to go to, but it does have a bigger brother that I prefer. Get it? Is it the, no? Anyways, 8 out of 10. This is the Chase Inc. Business Preferred, and it gets you $1,500 in free travel after spending $15,000 in the first 3 months, gives you a massive 5-figure credit line, and you might think that since this is a business card, you need to own a business to get it, but that's not true. In the credit card application under Business Tax Identification Number, you can just list yourself as the sole proprietor and use your social security number in place of a business tax ID. Overall, 8 out of 10. This is the Amex Gold card, the real best American Express card. It does have a $250 annual fee, but it's made up for by the $1,800 sign-up bonus. It has an effective 8% cash back at restaurants, making it one of the best credit cards for eating out, but Amex isn't accepted worldwide, so 9 out of 10. The Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards card. It has no annual fee with a $200 sign-up bonus, some other perks that no one cares about, and this is a 10 out of 10 for the free money. This is the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and not only is it one of my all-time favorite cards, it's a mystery card, but it's also the final Exodia piece that lets you win the credit card game, which I'll explain in a minute. But first, it has a $550 annual fee, which is offset by a $300 travel credit, a $900 value sign-up bonus, 10% back on hotel and car rentals when you purchase travel through the Chase portal, 3% when eating out, airport lounge and priority pass access, and now the final reason that makes this the last Exodia piece. When the Exodia pieces are put together, it creates something known as the Chase Trifecta. It increases the amount of rewards you earn and allows you to redeem those rewards for 50% more value. So the Chase Freedom Unlimited now earns you 2.25 on every purchase, and the Chase Freedom Flex now earns you 7.5 on rotating categories. And now it's time for the Exodia pieces to be brought together at last. This is 69 out of 10 that almost ends the entire credit card game, except I still have to reveal my credit card strategy that makes hundreds of dollars every month. I'm using only those mystery cards and relying on the Exodia pieces to maximize value while still being on the lookout for any new sign-up bonuses, and on a mission to collect the elusive Black card. This does mean I do miss out on some value by not using all of the other cards, yes, but for me, it's not really worth my time. And I think it's important for you to decide what you value when it comes to credit cards, whether it's just free travel, some cash back, or efficiently maximizing your time and value. But the thing I didn't tell you before was that choosing the right credit card strategy is important, but it's only step one, and step two is using them in a certain way to get a massive credit score, which I did to get hundreds of thousands of dollars. So in this video here, I'll show you the exact formula that I paid a credit expert $500,000 for.